save our planet. Sulfur dioxide pollution highlights methane as key to global warming, with countries such as China and India now reducing pollutants containing sulfur dioxide. Dr. Frank Reyes, head of the Climate Change Unit of the European Commission Joint Research Centre in Italy, reports that the planet is likely to heat more quickly in response. Sulfur dioxide, which is emitted in the processing of coal, oil and other industrial processes, has already been significantly reduced in many developed nations.
Although it is harmful to health, sulfur aerosols create an atmospheric cooling effect that offsets the heat emitted by the CO2 released in these same processes. This suggests that the heat from coal, oil and industry in developing nations has played a smaller role in global warming than previously thought. Such a finding corresponds with the conclusions of Dr. Drew Shindell from the US National Aeronautics and Space Administration, who estimated that because of sulfur dioxide's cooling effect, methane, which is generated primarily by activities related to meat production, is heating the atmosphere much more than previously thought.
Our appreciation, Dr. Reyes and European Commission Joint Research Centre fellow scientists, for this insightful finding. Let us choose the fastest way to return to health and cool the planet, namely through the safe and earth-friendly vegan diet.
As mentioned on previous occasions, Supreme Master Cheng Hai reminded once again during a September 2009 video conference in South Korea that the most urgent global warming threat lies in sources other than carbon dioxide.
If the goal is to be a truly carbon-free society, we should consider all the major sources of greenhouse gases emissions. You see, we are emitting greenhouse gases not just through the fumes from factories, houses and cars, but also through the products that we choose to consume. Besides, CO2 is cancelled out by aerosols, which are released at the same time from burning fossil fuels. Even though aerosols are very detrimental to our health, they actually have a cooling effect that cancels out the CO2 heat in the atmosphere. So the warming climate problem is not from CO2. I repeat, it's not from carbon dioxide. It is from other sources, mainly methane. First and foremost, eliminate the single largest source of human-caused methane, namely livestock. Stop animal product, then we stop global warming.